Good morning, students. Hi, how are you? Welcome to virtual learning class. Today, we are going to start with a very interesting topic. I will damn sure that you are going to love that topic because in the world, no one will be there that particular person don't know or maybe that person is not regarding that topic not favorable that topic his or her. Like that topic we are going to discuss. Okay, so can you guess it? Yes. So each and every person loves comics, correct? I also love very 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 much. At my childhood as well, I used to read lots of comics. Okay, so for entertainment, for spending such a joyful time, uh, we read comics, we read funny stories, correct? So that type of a funny story we are going to learn today. And what is that? Let's see. The story name is Gopal and the Hilsa Fish. Your chapter number 3rd. Okay, so in a story, in a comic form, in a dialogues, all the event is revealed in our textbook, is given in our textbook. Okay, so what is the idea behind that? What is the purpose behind that? That we are going to learn, and what things are included in that lesson, that we will see. Yes, so we will look at first regarding the lesson. What lesson want to tell us? What is its genre? Genre, as I told you, in each and every lesson and the poem as well, there is a genre. Genre means what? According to literature, what that lesson want to tell us. So its genre is a comic storybook that explains a story with the help of photo gallery. Okay, and such a nice activity I'm going to give you. Okay, regarding this lesson. Now you also in this lockdown period, we don't at in the April May, we didn't have lots of we have a lots of time, we had a lots of time, correct? So at that time I used to read, yes, seriously. And what you were doing, you are supposed to reply me. Okay, so at my childhood as well, and nowadays also it is popular. Whose comic? Chacha Chaudhary and Shabu. Like, so that are famous characters in a comic world. And nowadays also there are so many. Spider-Man, Vikram Betal, Panchatantra, Tenali Ramas. Comics are also worldwide famous. Correct? So, like that, a very, very, very interesting comic story we are having in our honeycomb. And which is that? That is the Gopal and Hilsa fish. Okay, so it is that story is given of one ordinary man who lives in a village, and in that village one king was there. And what that king want, what the Gopal did, what was the situation, why Gopal had created the comedy over there. Then there is a characters as well, which characters are all that we are going to learn. So let's begin. So first of all, the main character we can say in this story, that is, first one is Gopal, second one is his wife, Gopal's wife, and next one is king and courtiers. King and courtiers. Courtiers means those people who used to attend the court of king. As you can see in the picture, all these are courtiers. They used to attend the court. Okay, so these all are the characters in the story. So word meanings also are there that you are supposed to write in your notebook. Yes. Few word meanings are here. You can take a screenshot, students. So it will be easy for you to write in the notebook. Okay. Here we go. Gopal and Hilsa fish. Okay. I will read it for you and I will explain. Though it is a completely textbook page, that's why it maybe the first slide cannot be visible properly because I have scanned it and I have pasted it. But don't worry, I will read for you. Okay, so you have to observe the picture, you have to observe the expression of that particular characters. Let's see. At first, it was the season of hilsa fish, a type of fish. Okay, lots of varieties are there in fish as well. So it was the season of hilsa fish, and the fisherman caught a lot of them. Different type of fish fisherman caught. They sold them in the market. Okay, so fisherman have decided the particular price and they sold that fish into the market. The prices, they said, were down. So their discussion was going on. Nowadays, prices are very less. We are facing lots of problem because of that. We didn't get a proper price for the fish. Now what to do? This news was discussed by all householders or the fishmongers. Okay, so and that news spread fastly in the village. And now then they thought, they were amazed that the fish came to such a low price. How it could be happen? Because uh, fish, lots of villagers are there. They thought that how it could be happen and why this is happening. Why fish is getting low price over there? We have to do something. We have to talk with our king. That king can give a proper solution for that. So they started thinking what to do. Okay, so in the palace also the courtiers discussed the matter. In the palace also lots of courtiers. Courtiers, as I told you, courtiers means what? Those who attend the court regularly. Regarding that matter, they discussed over there. Let's see their dialogues. Okay, the first dialogue, it was the season for hilsa fish. Fishman could think of nothing but hilsa fish. Fishmonger sold nothing but hilsa fish. Okay, so whatever fishmongers were there, they sold only hilsa fish. And they were discussing in the court, in the market. Come, buy then the price of hilsa fish is down. Come and buy. Householders could take off nothing but hilsa fish. So, that two villagers, they were talking. What? How much did you pay for the hilsa? You wouldn't believe it if I told you. Okay, one man, two, the conversation is going on. They were talking to each other. You could not believe how much I bought that hilsa fish. And in the palace too, courtiers could discuss nothing but the hilsa fish. Your Majesty. Majesty means um, a chairperson, like we are saying no, Maharaj, like that. Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge hillside caught. It was. So he was telling how much bigger that hillside was. Okay? So king was listening. King said, "Stop it." We will move towards next slide. "Stop it. Are you a courtier of fishermen?" The courtier fell silent with a downcast eyes. The king felt guilty. Actually, before starting their conversation, already king was in a different mood, very sad mood. And that's why he scolded that courtier. And after all that happening, king felt very, very bad. Why I scold to the courtier? "I'm sorry, I lost my temper. It is the season for hilsa fish." And no one. Oh, king was in a worry that now actually I'm sorry whatever I said. Actually, I lost my temper. Okay, but why I lost my temper? Why this is happening? Because this is the actually season for hilsa fish. And now no one. What you want to say? Let's see. The quota became silent over there, and king said that, no, no, it is my mistake. I'm not going to do that same mistake again." But what king want to say? Not even Gopal can stop anyone from taking about hilsa fish. Not even for 5 minutes. "Oh, I think I could, Your Majesty." See, in the courtyard, Gopal was there, and king said that no one can do. Only Gopal can do what I want. So Gopal was in a happy mood now. Oh, what is going to happen now? King is appreciating me. Then let me see you buy a huge hilsa and bring it to the palace without anyone asking you a word about it. I accept the challenge, Your Majesty. What Gopal said. So, king gave a challenge to the Gopal. What challenge? You are supposed to, means Gopal, king said, buy a huge hilsa and bring it to the palace. A huge hilsa, a bigger hilsa, you have to bring it in the palace. But how? Without anyone asking. You are not supposed to ask anyone regarding that. A single word also you are not supposed to ask. So Gopal accepted the challenge. Now let's see what happened. So he went home. Okay. And he was in a very happy mood because king appreciated me and I accepted the challenge of king as well. So few days later, few days passed already. "Why is your face half shaven?" Oh, there was his wife. "And I'm dressing up to buy a hilsa, a fish." He was shaving his beard and only half one. So wife asked, "Why is your face half shaven only? What is going?" So Gopal said, "I'm dressing up to buy a fish." "What's the matter with you? Why are you smearing yourself with ash?" So she couldn't understand why Gopal is behaving like that. "I told you, I'm dressing up to buy a hilsa fish." Listen to me, please. You can't possibly go out in those disgraceful rags. What are you up to? His wife was shouting from the door when he came outside. He was having a rags. Rags means very very torn clothes, and he put all the ash on his face. So she said that in this those all the disgraceful get up. Disgraceful means very not attractive, we can say. In that dress up, how you can go outside? How many times must I tell you? Again he replied, Woman, how many times must I tell you? I am out to buy a huge hilsa fish. How many times should I tell you? I'm going to buy a hilsa fish. So he was thinking, what's happened with him? Why he is behaving like that? He's gone mad. Now she was also thinking that, oh, he's gonna mad, really. That's why he dressed up in a torn clothes, rags. He put ash on his face, also half shave. He is really gone mad. Now, next. Oh, let's see. Now, here comes the comic scene. Listen. Gopal bought the hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. And he was completely in a good mood that he has completed the challenge. So, all the villagers over there, and one of them, a small boy like you, he was there. And he told they were all the observing the Gopal. Why? Because he was having very different look. That boy said, Mother, look at that man. Isn't he comical? Yes, they was very surprised. He must be a madman. Two peoples were conversing over there. Hush, I think he is a mystic. So one of them said, he's a mystic, mysterious. He is very little bit in a he like a came from different side, different village, like that he is looking. He is very looking comic. So what to do? When Gopal reached the court, now the time. So um, outside soldiers were there. They stopped him over there. What do you want? I want to see the king. Oh, you can't see the king. Get away with you. Oh, so one of the soldiers said, get away with you. It means run away. You cannot meet the king. Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. He want to attract the attention of whom? King. He want to know to the king that I am here and your soldiers are not allowing me to enter in the palace. So he started to dance, he started to sing, all the things were going on. Let's see the next. Inside the palace. So all over the palace, they were very crowd, there were very noise, and all the noise king heard. King thought, king was listening. The, the man is crazy. Thrown him out of once. I want to see the king. Let me in. Gopal also was fighting. He was also quarreling with soldiers. Bring that man to me at once. King gave order. Yes, your majesty. Gopal was brought before the king. and one of the ministers, है ना, कोर्ट में कैसे मिनिस्टर्स होते हैं, मंत्री होते हैं, he is one of him, said, it's a Gopal. Oh, the man has lost his mind. Do you know? I think it's one of his crazy jokes. He have a habit to create a jokes. So I think one of him again said, I think this is also his joke only. All right, King said. All right, Gopal. Out with it. Okay. All right. Out with it. Now no need to pretend any type of character. And why are you dressed up in the ridiculous fashion? Yes, King asked, why are you in this ridiculous fashion? Ridiculous means it was looking like a funny, no? So, King asked, why you are looking very funny? Gopal said, Your Majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. I think you forgotten something. We discussed already, and the discussion was regarding what? I think you forgotten it. So Gopal want to tell. Forgotten something means what? King thought. Oh, now see. Strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in Hilsa fish today. He shown that Hilsa to everyone. So he told all the quotas that I think no one is interested in Hilsa. From the market to the palace and in the court, not a soul has spoken a word about Hilsa fish, but all were looking at me. What was the challenge? Are you recalling it, students? What was the challenge? Gopal should not talk a single word to anyone. That's why he said that I was having a Hilsa with me, but they were just observing me, not Hilsa. That's why no one asked me about Hilsa. King laughed. Only then did the king remember the challenge he had thrown to Gopal. Ha ha! Well, Gopal, congratulations! You have achieved the impossible once again. Yes, once again means what? Before also, definitely Gopal did the same work, same um, challenge accepted by the king. Not the same, but maybe different challenge. But you did the same thing and you completed your challenge. And king was very, very happy. Right? And that's why he told that, oh ho ho. And I am now, I can fulfill my wish over there that no one is looking to the Hilsa fish, and that's why everyone got attracted to the particular look, and that's why I have a get up in that particular attractive look. I didn't mind the fish. No one didn't mind the fish. The king remembered the challenge and he had thrown to Gopal, right? And he congratulated the Gopal again. So this was a very, very comic story. And how if you have learned, if you have read lots of comics regarding Akbar and Birbir, as you know, correct? So in that also the same thing happening. Now we will summarize our chapter. Okay? So we will go through again with our chapter. So it was the season for Hilsa fish. The fisherman caught a lot of them and they sold them in the market. The prices they said were down. And that's why this news was discussed by all householders. They were amazed that the fish came to such a low price. In the palace also the Kota discussed the matter. A Kota showed the king a big fish he had caught. And that's why king gave, just a second students, king was not in such a mood, so he lost his temper. The Kota became silent and sad. The king realized his mistake and told that even Gopal couldn't stop anyone from talking about Hilsa. Gopal protested. He said he could do that. The king then challenged him to bring a big fish to the palace with, without anyone asking a word about it. Since Gopal accepted the challenge, he started working silently and he planned accordingly. He became half shaven over there and covered himself with a ash. Okay, so when his wife asked regarding that particular look, um, he said he was dressing up to buy a Hilsa fish. So he replied according to that. And his wife said, and she thought that now he's gonna mad. Gopal bought the Hilsa and started walking towards the palace. And when he went over there, suddenly what happened? Those who were the soldiers, they stopped him over there and they didn't allow him to enter. So that's why to attract attention of king, he started dancing and crying loudly. They reported the matter to the king. The king ordered to bring him into the palace, into the court. So Gopal introduced all the things in front of the king, and the king asked him why he has dressed up like that. So Gopal explained that when he was coming to the palace, at that time what happened? Not a single man spoke with him. Nobody was spoke with him within the road, and that's why everyone got attracted to his look, whatever look he was having, a particular look. They didn't mind the Hilsa fish. And the king remembered that challenge he had thrown. Oh, and Gopal only give remembrance of the challenge. Okay, and that's why he congratulated to the Gopal and achieving whatever he achieved over there, which was the impossible thing, and he gave him very um, appreciations and the reward as well. Now we'll just go through the question answers. We will just discuss. Okay, let's see. Working with the text. Answer the following question. First one, why did the king want no more talk about the Hilsa fish? Why king want? Can you guess the answer? Why king don't want no more discussion regarding Hilsa fish? Can you guess? Okay, I will tell you. King don't want any talk about Hilsa fish because in the palace everyone was talking regarding Hilsa fish only. So king thought that king was very infuriated. No one is talking about palace. No one is talking about me. Me means king. All are talking about Hilsa. That's why king don't want any talk about Hilsa. Second, why did the king ask Gopal uh, to prove that he was clever? Why king thought that? Why king gave his challenge to the Gopal? So the king asked Gopal to buy a hilsa, a huge hilsa we can say, from the market to ensure that no one should talk to him to the Gopal. about the hilsa, about the fish on the entire way from market to the palace. Now, third, what three things did Gopal do before he went to buy his hilsa fish? Now, remember what funny things he have done over there? Yes. So, the three things he have done. First one, he half shaved his face, then smeared ash on his face, on his body, and wore a rags, torn clothes. Right? Next. How did Gopal get inside the palace to see the king after he had bought the fish? What activities he done over there? Yes. Gopal started singing, dancing from in front of the palace and in a loud voice as well. The king heard the noise and asked the man to send the Gopal. Okay? Explain why no one seemed to be interested in talking about the hilsa fish which Gopal had bought. Can you guess? Yes, guess it. In three questions, in the first questions also, we discussed regarding that. So this, according to based on that only that answer will be. So you are supposed to think about it. Okay. Now, true or false. The true or false also you are supposed to write, read the lesson carefully and got your answer. I'm going to give you, but before that, I think that you are supposed to note down your answer. Okay? Hope you understood. Hope you enjoyed the lesson, students. Okay? And as I told you, activity, that activity I'm going to tell you. Okay? So before that, I not now I'm going to tell you activity, but uh, previous preparation we can say we can do that. That is, you are supposed to read comic books in your free time. Note my point. In your free time, instead of watching television, you can read comic books. And based on that only, I'm going to give you activity. Okay? Yes. And in these ways, we sum up our chapter here. So, wait for a activity. Till then, bye. Thank you so much. Okay. One of the thing, don't go. Thank you. It means for the lesson only I'm telling thank you. Moral of the story we have to also discuss. Okay. Gopal had no need to take up the challenges. Why? As he was a courtier in the king's palace. He could have declined it. He can do that. वो कर सकता था decline, ignore, and continue leading the luxurious life as usual. However, Gopal cared about his king and his feelings. Thus, he took up the challenges. Yes, the challenge was not huge. It proved that during the times of emergency, Gopal will definitely help his king and the people of the kingdom another that will also help. And the next another moral we can say is that taking challenge in life is good thing and makes one popular. A person like Gopal, who has been appointed on the higher rank of the courtier, is so down to earth. Down to earth means he don't have any type of ego. That he literally dressed up like a beggar. Never run away from the challenges. Be open to them and accept them like a brave man. Okay? So, how the Gopal was, how Gopal's character is depicted over here, that we will discuss. Character of Gopal. Gopal was a famous courtier in the palace of a king. He was brave and bold, and when the time came, he did not shy away from taking the challenge. Rather, he went ahead, got into the uh, form of a beggar and bought hilsa fish inside the palace without being raising a hype about it. He not hesitate about it. Gopal was simple and down to earth person. Otherwise, people at Kottair position do not go to such a low levels. Actually, this is the situation nowadays, students, if we discuss. So he don't mind what in which position he was. The challenge that Gopal took suggested that he could take up any form or resemblance to help the people of his kingdom. Because of good value, Gopal is favorite of the king. Okay, and that's why we can compare the story, the comic of Akbar and Birbal. The same character was Birbal was having, correct? That's why Birbal was also a favorite courtier from Akbar's palace, right? So I hope you understood the whole chapter, you enjoyed it, correct? Now it is the time to say bye. Okay, so we will meet again. Till then, you are supposed to read the lesson. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.